Meaning of gasoline.
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 Gasoline. Gasoline, also known as gasoline or petrol, is a fossil fuel that is commonly used as a fuel for internal combustion engines in vehicles, such as cars, motorcycles, and airplanes. It is a complex mixture of hydrocarbons that are derived from crude oil through refining processes. Gasoline contains various additives to improve its performance, such as detergents to keep the engine clean, antioxidants to prevent oxidation, and octane boosters to improve combustion efficiency. Despite the convenience of gasoline as a fuel source, its combustion emits harmful pollutants, such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter, which contribute to air pollution and climate change.